hello and welcome back to the weekend vlog. Today we are doing sand art. I actually got this for my birthday. If you don't remember, I did a video on my birthday party and I got this a couple of days before, I think, or a couple of days after. I'm not sure, but this is what we're going to do. We're doing sand art. So we've got these colours we got. Let me just tell you the colours. These are sand, so that's why it's called sand art. We got pink, green, blue, yellow, purple, and I'm going to say that's red or orange. Not really sure. So we've got, as you think, this one. We got a star, sorry. We've got all of these. So first of all, we'll start with a star, love heart, and then we got these weird ones. This kind of looks like a bolt, and this is just with it. So the one that I'm gonna do is this love heart. So we'll move those other ones to the side. So now I'm popping this side. I think it's a really beautiful colour. So we've got this. It's called we're just gonna put this in there. So then it'll make a lovely colour at the bottom. Right? I'm letting it go down because I think I've done too much. That looks fine, so now I'm gonna do a different colour. So now I'm putting purple in. Wait. Just get a little bit more in. There we go, done. I'm making a lot of mess. Alright. Well, we've done purple, now we're doing pink. And then we'll catch up with you later after pink. So last time we were with you guys, we got to this pink. I did like green, then blue, and then some yellow, and then I did a little bit of pink a bit more, but you can't really see it from where I am, but you can probably there. And then we did some more yellow. It was really hard to get like the love heart, these top bits in, so now I'm gonna put the lid on. So I made my sand art. Now we're gonna do a different thing. This is Hope. She's come to join us for my nap. And then we've got these that we did. Of course, I just did these on my own. We weren't with you guys at that time. So remember when we did this together? Yeah, we did that together. We just did this wiggly one and then this kind of funny shaped one. And then we did this one that I did. So now we are going to do party time slime kit. Now we've done the sand art. Hope just moved out of the way because we thought it would die. So now we're doing party time slime kit. I also got this from my birthday. So I'll just show you what we've got here. We've got the monster eyeballs. And we've got some glitter. And we've got confetti. So we can make a monster one, a confetti one, or some glitter one. And then we've also got ooze base. We're going to use that in a minute. We've got a mixing stick. We've got a jug, a little tiny jug, and we've got a little bowl. And we've got ooze reactor. And so first, we're just going to grab this and grab like this. So we're going to try and get it to number 20. That looks really gloopy. And the orb. And now we filled it up to 20, so now we're going to put it in the spot. Let's do this. I'm really scared, but no, I think this video I'm probably not going to do. We go cats. most done. I think we're done after this. I'm going to make this one, the glitter one. We're actually going to make it pink. I don't mind. So we're going to add the glitter first into my bowl. So because we're making the glitter slime, so it's kind of like a party slime as well. So now we're going to put the pink in with this. Now we're going to mix it with the... We're not actually supposed to use it, we're just going to pop it in there. So now we're going to mix. Ooh, it looks really glittery and pink. Look guys, it's actually turning pretty cool, right? And then awesome slime. So now we're going to actually put some of this in here. We're going to do 10 millimeters of it. So let's do this. Wait, I need to see the down there as well. So now we do 10 millimeters and we're going to tip it in the bowl. Now, yeah, okay, get one more. It's a couple more bits. Yes, we will. Now we're gonna mix. Wait, let's mix. Oh, I see. Look at it, guys. It's actually coming to slimes already. I'm going to make this slime. I'm just so excited. Our slime, we have to end. So here we've got our confetti slime. It's really confetti. We just made that one, and now we've got the glitter slime, the first one that we made. I think. And then we got the monster slime. Yeah. It's so sad to go, but I have a shout out to Kelly because she gave me the send out for my birthday, and I just wanted to have a shout out for her because I thought it was really special, and she also watches my YouTube channel as well. So I thought, and if you're watching, Kelly, I'll see you soon. I would like to do more videos, and maybe I'll see you and hear from you sometimes. So don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on my notifications, and I'll see you soon.